If you have reached the monetization threshold of your YouTube channel, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, I want to show you the three things you need to, you know, get paid, get certified, so that all your payments, all your YouTube earnings will come to you directly to your account number. So watch this video to the end. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Be sure that I'm going to attend to all your questions. If you also have any confusion, sometimes some people will say 500 is the subscriber limits for YouTube monetization. Yes, it's good because it will unlock some features, but until you get to 1000 subscribers, there are some features that you will not be able to utilize, like earning from ad. When you get up to 500, you can only earn from membership, super chat and super thanks. But if you get up to 1000 subscribers, you'll be able to earn from YouTube ads when people watch your video. The first thing that you need, if you're in Nigeria, because I'm in Nigeria and I'm making this video based on Nigerian YouTube content creators. So if you're African, you can also listen to this. I don't know for other countries. I believe every country has their own requirements. So the first thing is government issued ID card. It can be your voter's card. For me, I use my voter's card to verify myself. It can be your NIN, national ID card, or your driver's license, or even your international passport. But the thing is that you have to make sure that your date of birth, your name is properly arranged. You don't have to have a different name in your bank account and a different name in your voter's card or your national ID card. It will not work like that. So you have to make sure that the name on that document is correct. My name is Blessing Bunye. I have to make sure that the name on my voter's card is Blessing Bunye. It's not another name. There's no second name. There's no difference between my date of birth as appeared in Google and my ID card. So if you don't have any issues with that, you can verify yourself. You can verify your account from the comfort of your home. Just follow the instructions. It's very, very simple to do that. So that is it for that. Number two, this one is you need a domiciliary account. Yes, you really need a domiciliary account, because if you are going to earn money, your money is going to be in dollars. Some people will say you can earn with your normal naira account, but then I would advise you, it's very necessary for you to open a domiciliary account. And nowadays you don't really need to have so much to open a domiciliary account. You can open with your bank. If you have a savings account with a particular bank, you can open them account with them. If you don't have, you can open with another bank that is not even your savings account bank. All you need is get 2 referees, get 2 passports, get your utility bill, which is your NEPA bill or any other utility bill that is accepted. Also, you need to get your ID card. Yes, your ID card, either voter's card or your national ID card. And then write a letter, just handwritten letter, to the manager of the branch, saying that you want to open a DOM account in their branch, and you want to use it for so and so, because you have to state the income, the source of income for that DOM account. So you just state it and they open it in the currency you want, USD, euros and all of that. So it's very simple. It takes just 24 hours or highest 48 hours if everything is certified. So the 2 referees you get, it's not a must they will be from that bank. They can be people that have DOM account from another bank. Like for me, the 2 people that signed for me, they have DOM account but not in the bank I opened, in another bank. So they just sign, put their account number, they will be contacted to know if they really know you and all of that. So it doesn't take time to open. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is getting your tax identification number, TIN, for Nigeria, because you need it when you are opening your DOM account, and you don't need to stress about opening it. You can go to the website. I will just put it on the screen. It's going to be displayed on your screen and also in the description box. So you just check it and follow the instruction. Put your BVN. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to do that, you can also tell me in the comment section. I will make a tutorial on that. but just you will put your BVN. Once you put your BVN, they will verify that the name is correct. Then you will also get your details. Are you employed or self-employed or unemployed? You just put all those details and generate for yourself. So that is it. If you have more questions concerning the documents you need for monetization, just ask me in the comment section. If this video made sense to you or you learned something from it, why don't you hit the subscribe button? I'll put more details about some videos in the comment section that can help you build your YouTube channel, grow it organically. You don't need to pay anyone to grow your YouTube channel. You can grow your YouTube channel by yourself when you understand how the system works. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.